Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about coordinate geometry sum. Last 4 days I did not keep the videos because of I am busy at traveling. That's why now we will continue the videos. Thank you for watching. It is a 23rd sum, JEE mains paper. Let's go into the problem.
Here, let A comma B are 2 points on the half lines x minus root 3y is equal to alpha. It is a equation x minus root 3y is equal to alpha one line, x plus root 3y is equal to alpha second line. So it is a line. In the line, this is two lines. So it is the tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. There is equal to 1 by root 3. Theta is equal to pi by 6. So it is pi by 6. It is alpha. It is A point. It is B point. So AB point will be like this way. The distance alpha is a point of intersection of P. It is alpha. The line segment AB meets angle bisector of the line of lines at P and Q. So this is P, this is Q. PQ is equal to 9 by 2. So PQ is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So and R is the radius of the circumcenter PAB. R is the radius. This is the radius. Uh, Circumcenter. This is radius R. Capital R. Capital R. Radius of the circumcenter. What is the alpha square by P? Now let's look here. PQ is 9 by 2 and cos pi by 6 is equal to 9 by 2 whole by 9 by 2 alpha. 9 by 2 alpha. Cos pi by 6 means it is the value root 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 alpha. So 2 cancel, alpha is equal to 3 root 3. So it is 3 root 3. It is 3 root 3. Next, A come up 2 points. Sin pi by 6 is equal to AQ by AP. AP means 3 root 3. Sin pi by 6, sin 31 by 2 is equal to AQ by 3 root 3. So AQ is equal to 3 root 3 by 2. So it is 3 root 3 by 2. In the same ratio, it is also 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. So AB is equal to 3 root 3. So it is a equilateral triangle. The circumcenter and everything is the centroid, everything is the, this is the point, centroid, circumcenter, everything. So the circumcenter PS by SQ is equal to the ratio 2:1. So PS is equal to 2x. 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 XQ is equal to x. So 2x plus x is equal to 2x plus x is equal to the PQ length is 9 by 2. PS plus SQ there is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So 9 by 2. So 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 9 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. But radius R is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 3. Radius R is equal to 3. We need the alpha square by 2. alpha is equal to 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 square 27 by r value 3. There is equal to 9. The answer is 9.